Part 1. Config tool is required to upgrade VTO and VTH firmware. Before upgrade, please revise device password in search setting. Go to Device Upgrade. Find the VTO needs upgrade. Click Browse to select the firmware. The related firmware could be downloaded from Dahua official website product page, or you could check with Dahua partners for support. Click to start upgrade. Select the main program and enable clear config. When done, VTO will reboot. Part 2. VTH upgrade will be similar to VTO. Go to Device Upgrade. Find the VTH needs upgrade. Click Browse to select the firmware. Click to start upgrade. Select the main program and enable clear config. When done, VTH will reboot.